Hello, Mr. Prakash. How are you, sir?
How are you, Mr. Anand? How are things going on?
Good, sir. Thank you so much. Happy to meet you here virtually.
Same here.
Otherwise, we meet quite often.
Yes, of course.
Um,
New normal.
Congratulations and yeah,
I said new normal in life.
absolutely. So, congratulations on behalf of our own organization, Sea Change, and the entire team of Sea Change for this paid forward, the new normal model which we are launching today, which is 28th of September 2020. Many
Congratulations.
congratulations to you.
Congratulations to you too.
Thank you so much. With the great support of our team and strategic business advisors and the back-end team, front-end team. So we are extremely happy to introduce this paid forward model to the entrepreneurial community and society at large. And on this happy occasion, while launching this paid forward model, you always talk about giving back to society, getting aligned with the society, communities, and giving away possible resources from Sea Change, which you have been doing it. I mean, as a CEO of an organization, as my beloved partner, you have been writing articles, you have been sharing the knowledge, wisdom, the corporate wisdom, management wisdom through various channels, including social media and digital and print media, television media, so on and so forth. As a person who's also a beneficiary in one sense, who have been closely associated with you, I just thought of just to ask you, touch base with you on one thing like, what exactly do you mean by really giving away to society, especially during this time and going forward?
Thanks, Mr. Anand, for the good opening line. As you rightly pointed out, we are in an industry, we always have been giving something to the clients, to the ecosystem from which we have grown up, society, in fact, in totality. Really look at what has been inspiring us, inspiring me also, are the success stories of great entrepreneurs, the great human leaders who have always emphasized that the best way to receive is to start giving. When I'm saying giving or receiving, I am not talking about monetary transactions here. If you are good at knowledge, what you are capable of giving is knowledge. If you are good at giving advice, you are that's what you can give. And there are a lot of people who give back to society in so many ways. This world is full of thousands and thousands of outstanding examples which have been inspiring us to think in these lines. When the pandemic struck, which we have been silently doing for the last few months, I've always been thinking along with you in terms of how we can actually ensure that the support system which has built all these entrepreneurs for several generations doesn't collapse just like that. Because it is, after all, essential that for us to move forward, for the world to move forward, the entrepreneurial community, the MSME community, the SME community, the business people, they all need some kind of a support for them to sustain. As we rightly coined a phrase which has now become quite popular and synonymous with the services we offer: survive, stabilize, and surge ahead. Our idea is to help the ecosystem to survive in this tough situation. And there are several things that we can give. We can give back to the entrepreneurs, we can give back to the society. One thing that we thought we should do is start giving them knowledge. One thing I've always seen, we both are in a system where we have certain spiritual values and practices. We do understand what it means to be first a giver before you even think of being a receiver. Nature always is benevolent to everyone, and our idea is to ensure that that benevolence of knowledge that we have is channelized properly and given to them. And giving back to society is just not about money or just not about knowledge alone. We also intend creating a lot of huge pools of resources, which we already done in a very big way. We already have 100 plus consultants. We have more than about 50 to 60,000 man hours of knowledge which has been built in our arsenal. All these, to a great extent, thanks to you, thanks to the team that has been backing all the consultants, we are looking at offering this for people to help to survive these tough times. When you really look at the community which is really suffering in all these times, where they don't even have the basic access to knowledge, what the biggies and all the big corporate consulting companies offer, it does pain us, in fact, to see how we can actually contribute, how we can help them to sustain in these tough times, how do they survive. And hence this pay it forward. When you say pay it forward, what it really means to the customer is that we are going to offer all our services without any strings attached. It's like the famous old cookie jar case, which was which is what made this concept very popular. And then subsequently have the Karma coffee and all those concepts. So people value your service. Let them use it. It doesn't matter whether they can afford, they can't afford. The idea is first to ensure that they survive so that the ecosystem doesn't collapse. There are millions of people are losing jobs. All of them have to be helped in some way. So we give first to them, give back to the society, because whatever we are today, both of us, and the ecosystem that has been built around us has come from this society. So it's for us to hold them up, give whatever we can, knowledge-wise, support-wise, and whatever trickles through us in case they find it interesting to pay. Even that we have decided a part of that will go back to society in terms of many of the society improvement work that we want to do. And this is a very noble cause, because I've always seen, I've also learned from great leaders, whether you name Warren Buffett or any of those big people, they all started really giving when they had enough. But what we have learned in our life is to give while you still need to receive. That really makes it very special. And this is a great experiment. I'm very sure the market would completely utilize. They have everything to gain. It's up to them to decide what they want to do with the knowledge and services that we are offering. And hence it's a humble beginning is what I would say. But before I give it back to you, I wanted to ask you if the same question is asked to you as the partner of SeaChange, being the strategic business advisor, and having worked with and continuing to work with several chambers as MSME chairman and several of your other portfolios. How would you look at giving back, and how do you see the dots connecting back in this reference frame?
Thank you, Mr. Prakash. It's a very, very pertinent question you actually asked me. And last 4-5 months, we have been talking on WhatsApp, telephone call, emails, virtual meetings like this, as to how we can really connect the dots. As far as we understand, from SeaChange and an entire panel of strategic business advisors who are part of our panel, we always feel that there is a huge gap with respect to MSME entrepreneurs and small business owners as regard to availing or utilizing certain knowledge resources, which are always for them, it's a lofty goal. They can't afford to pay, huge investments, especially during this pandemic scenario. Therefore, we have come out with this nice option of giving back not only to the society, but also giving back to the entrepreneurial community. But for them, we are not, actually what we are today. So it's kind of a gratitude building measures. Hence, this paid forward model has been, framed, crafted by SeaChange Consulting team. And as you always say in our informal conversation, that why fee? Why not no fee? So that was the brainchild of the whole exercise. And today it has become a reality. On 28th of September today, I'm very, very glad, joining hands with you to release this new model, paid forward model. What exactly is paid forward model? And how are we going to help entrepreneurs? And what are the dots we are going to connect? And how they are going to get benefited out of this? I just want to keep it as a surprise element, because a lot more to discuss over phone or over virtual meeting with each of the individual entrepreneurs when they get connected with us. And entrepreneurs who are watching this, you can make a note of the number which is displayed on the screen, and you can connect with our business coordinator. A lot of takeaways for you to build your business, a lasting impact to create as the day comes, as the day progresses. And we are with you. Service first, business later. That's the motto. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, Mr. Prakash.
Thank you, Mr. Anand. It's really a quick snapshot of what we intend doing. At the same time, we have left it open to see if really the entrepreneurs want to take the chance of taking this model forward and ensuring that they survive, stabilize so that they can surge ahead. I am very sure the calls will start coming in. After all, the world understands the power of knowledge, and that too when it comes to your doorstep, I am very sure that people will make use of it. Wish you all the best. I wish all the entrepreneurs who's watching the
Absolutely.
very best. Let's meet again. Thank you.